Wow, this is the Shark Matrix Plus robot vacuum with self-empty HEPA base. It looks really nice and it's $349.99. It has a powerful suction, precision mapping, and also object detect. So it can avoid obstacles and clean precisely. This is the vacuum. There's also this charger in the back. It's really nice. It has a powerful pet hair pickup. It also has clean edge technology and its weight is 11.07 pounds. As you can see, this is the box. It's the Shark Matrix Plus, self-empty robot with HEPA base, so it can empty itself automatically into the charging station. And also you can customize your clean with the Sharp Clean app. Looks really nice.